What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek vlog. Today, it's nighttime. What? It's nighttime. We came up Monday night, March something or other. And honestly, we haven't taken a run yet. But we're coming up Bear Peak, about to see the conditions and hope it's good. Before we get into the video though, I do want to say I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter. We're running out of time, so if you could please hit that subscribe button for me, I'd really appreciate it. We're running out. We gotta go. Lift the bar. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little selfie stick run since we're going down there, and we're gonna stack some clips over on south. Oh man, that was good beans. I'm doing. Real quick, I actually just waxed my board yesterday, and it is so fast, I can already tell. I kind of want to take a chill run down the left. You down? Yeah. I'm not trying to huck it, just trying to like relax, you know, be a smooth dude. Yo, real quick update. Our boy Anthony is here. We found him at Mountain Creek Abandoned and we're taking him in.
I was alone.
He was alone.
Now I'm found.
And now he is found. Alright, yeah.
That's it.
Look at this guy. Oh. So I want to hit the hip. How sketchy is it? Landing sketchy?
Landing's all right.
Alright,
It's really not bad.
Alright, whatever. I'll just follow you guys.
You can do it.
I'll take it easy. Bang, bang. Alright, alright. Alright guys, we're off the mountain after a really fun night, but quite
Sketchy, yes. We've ended the night with a broken Dan. His shoulder is gone.
Yeah.
I'm fine. Well, actually, I'm not fine. I went massive off the jump on Bakersfield one run when Anthony was filming me. Cue the clip.
Oh my God.
When I did that, he didn't catch the landing, but I landed so deep and both my knees immediately just felt pain. So that's not cool. I'm getting old. Some CBD company sponsor me. I'd love that. But yeah, that's it for tonight. We had a good time. Took a few slams, but we're all good. In the end, we went snowboarding and had some fun. That's it for today's video. And if you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.